In this video, we're going to set up the Debarked Designs flatpack house frame with full railing. Doorways may differ, but the assembly is the same. Follow along to set up your Montessori bed frame. We're going to start with the back rail. Insert the floating tenons into the mortised holes of the rail. The tenons are going to be snug, but make sure they go in straight. Then fit your rail spindles onto the bottom rail. Afterwards, take your top rail and snug it up. Do the same process with the floating tenons on either side rail. Put your spindles on and add your top rail. Then we'll take the corner post that works with the side and back rail. Next, we'll repeat this process for the other end. For the front rail, we'll insert the floating tenons and then we'll screw on the doorway bars from underneath before inserting the spindles. Once the front rail is complete, we can add the two front corner posts. For the roof, we'll hold one roof bar each, threading on the cross rail at the same time. If you do not have another person, you can also use two clamps. One at either end to hold on the roof bar, acting as a shelf for the cross rail. Once complete, go around and snug up all the bolts. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing.